kahit na hindi kami, baka nakatulog kami doon, may gigising sa amin.
And the boat is kind of old. So may tulugan din pala. And welcome to another travel vlog. We are going to Bohol, and for this travel vlog, I will be talking about the requirements going there. We are here in Bato. We've been stuck here for 2 days kasi nagpa-RT-PCR ako, and we also waited for my parents' vaccination to be 2 weeks para masabing fully vaccinated sila. So we've been here for 2 days while waiting for the result and the 14 days of my mom. And then today we finally got all the results. Nandito kami sa harap ng medallion. I think this is the only Rara going to Bohol. And it leaves at 10. This week, daily daw. It's better daw to call them ahead. This is their phone number para mapareserve yung card. And this is yung kailangan yung sabihin para mapareserve. Apo, 3 senior at isang driver.
Ilang taon na yan, si?
Oh no, 61. Magkano po yung senior?
229.
229. Tapos,
Yung sasakyan, 2,830.
2,200. Magkano po total?
3,523.
3,523. Maalon, no?
May location kasi yata.
Oo nga eh.
Baka nga siguro mga ilang araw mula ngayon, baka mag-cancel na.
Ay, ganon.
Ma'am, window 3 PPA, ma'am. Tapos, after sa PPA, patatakay niyo sa Coast Guard yung bill niyo, ma'am.
Babalik ulit dun sa Coast Guard. Yung PPA na to, sa vehicle o sa...
Vehicle, tapos sa mga tao, isa lang yata yung may terminal fee kasi senior free man ang terminal fee. Sabi lang na senior yung tatlo.
Doon din magbabayad. Okay. So, PPA, tas Coast Guard.
Standby yan.
Tapos, saan kami mag-park?
Sa, dito lang sa harap, ma'am. Dito may parking.
Dyan lang pwede na. May tatawag po sa amin? Okay. Opo, 3 senior tsaka isang driver. Bali, magkano po yung yung passenger PPA po? Ano pa? Apa? 129. Tapos yung sa tao po, magkano po? G's? Ano yung G's?
10.
So, Coast Guard lang next namin na. Thank you.
Tapos pagkatapos ng Coast Guard, may tatawag na kahit na hindi kami, baka nakatulog kami doon, may gigising sa amin.
Okay.
1 hour later.
So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog because umuulan. It was, I think, merong LPA. So, I'm just gonna tell you yung requirements. Ang requirements from Bato to Ubay, Bohol. Merong isa daw sa Hilongos, if I'm saying the town's names correctly, na going to Bohol. Pero, we wanted kasi na mas shorter yung sea travel. So we went here sa Bato. Anyway, ang requirements ng medallion is dapat may S-Pass ka na approved ng Coast Guard nila. So, I went to the S-Pass and I checked yung destination namin. Bohol pala is a restricted destination. Para na rin siyang Boracay, ganun siya kahigpit. So, ang requirements nila is to be fully vaccinated. If you are not yet fully vaccinated, you have to do an RT-PCR. That's why we have to wait for my parents vaccinated to be 2 weeks para hindi na sila mag-RT-PCR. Ako na lang nag-RT-PCR because I am not vaccinated. So, we did the RT-PCR sa Red Cross in Hilongos, and then we waited for a day for the result to come out. And today, nakuha na namin. We processed the S-Pass and na-approve naman nila agad. And then we printed it out kasi kailangan i-print kasi kailangan pumunta sa Coast Guard para matatakan nila. Once natatakan na, you have to go to the window or counter ng medallion. Doon nila ipaprocess yung ticket mo. Ang car naman is Isuzu Trooper, and that costs, ang vehicle rate nila is 2835. And then, since 3 senior citizens and I'm the driver, so that I'll be the driver kasi is free. So, ako nang ginawang driver, and then ang nagbayad is yung senior citizen para makuha yung discount. Ang senior citizen rate is 229. Pero, ang normal rate nila for adult is 320. So, ang laki na discount. Just make sure na dala-dala nyo yung senior citizen IDs para ma-avail nyo yung mga discount. Oh, yeah. You also have to print out or Xerox yung mga vaccination cards ng mga vaccinated na mga kasama mo. And then, after the window of medallion, sabi nila ang next is to pay the PPA or the Philippine Port Authority terminal fee. Ngayon, sa PPA, may laging dalawang binabayaran. Yun yung vehicle rate and the passenger or terminal fee. So, sa vehicle, PPA, ang price niya is 129 pesos. And then, for the terminal fee or PPA, passenger, basta, yung sa passenger na PPA, is free ang senior citizen. So, ako lang nagbayad and it only costs 10 pesos. After the window 3 counter na pagbabayaran mo ng PPA, you have to go back to the Coast Guard. By the way, yung Coast Guard nila, ang layo-layo dun sa counter nila. Pero sabi naman nila kasi nasira daw yung office nila malapit sa port. Kaya nag-rent out sila and medyo parang sa squatter area sila. And then, yeah, we went back to the Coast Guard and tinatakan naman nila agad. There's no questions asked. And then, we waited out in the port for around 30 minutes kasi 10 o'clock yung boarding time. And this is what I like because at exactly 10 a.m. tinawag na nila kami and pinapasok na sa port, and then pinaload na kami sa boat, and the boat is kinda old. It's not like yung Roro na ginawa namin from Luzon to Visayas and Visayas to Mindanao. This is kinda old, much larger, I think. And yes, the Roro time or the travel time going to Bohol is 3 hours. Medyo matagal-tagal, and then it's rainy. I think it will be a wavy ride again. But yes, I'm excited to be in Bohol and I'm going out. I'm gonna show you what the boat looks like. By the way, you also have to print your S-Pass. After nag-up na approved, you have to print it out. Meron namang printan around the Bato town. Pero pinakamalapit sa Coast Guard area is before you enter their kalye, going to their office, merong store doon na nag-print ng mga documents and Xerox and everything. So we did print out our approved S-Pass, and then you also have to have an ORCR printed out, also Xerox, and then we Xerox also the vaccination cards. So that's it. That's the requirements for Roro going to Ubay, Bohol from Bato, Leyte. Tulugan siya.
Tulugan naman ba tayo? Oh, di ba? Yes. Pwede rin palang matulog kung gusto mo.
So may tulugan din pala. So meron naman silang CR for male and female. And then this is the back part of the boat. or the sheep. See, it's raining. Hopefully hindi siya maalon. p.m. Bye, Leyte!
3 minutes before, ayata mo na og nga makadunggo na ta ha. At dili ta man na og nakadunggo na ta. Akatong mga wheels, dapat mo na sa 15 minutes before. Kung naman mga wheels. Dahil yun, hindi ka sunod anak nila, musunod ang senior citizen, boros o disabled. Pero pulong-pulong siya ha.
May wheels kayo, pwede kayo muna. Pero 15 minutes before kayo pumunta doon, bago tayo na nakadak na tayo doon ha.
Dapat nakasakay na.
Nakasakay na kayo ma'am. Kasi di pwede na nakadak na tayo, tapos ngayon na kasi baka maipit kayo doon eh.
3 hours later.
Dala kayo ng ispas at saka vaccine card. Tapos doon sa sakyan doon, disinfect tayo. Tapos yung driver, punta dito pagkatapos.
You have to go here. Parang immigration. Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po. Paano ko sa mga one ma'am, valid ID ma'am?
Tagalog po.
Valid ID po natin.
Naku, nasa car. Sabi, espas lang. At ano?
Kunin mo yung validity, huwag ka na bumila.
Wag na. Sige, sige.
Kaya ano na lang mama, isip ko na lang mamaya.
We are in Bohol! Finally! Nakatapos din kami sa Bohol after all the strict requirements. So paglabas namin ng sheep, lumabas yung car, and then dumiretso siya, and then around this area, bumaba lahat ng passengers because kailangan pumila and i-check yung S-Pass, valid ID, and health declaration na binigay sa boat. Yeah, S-Pass, vaccination card, health declaration sa boat, and valid ID. And if you're not vaccinated, you have to bring your RT-PCR. And then yung driver in yung car have to line up there. Yan, hugasan yung mga cars ng water. And then, iikot dito, and mag-park sila dyan, and then i-treatment or sterilize yung car. So that's our car over there. And ito yung pila para ma-check yung mga requirements. And then, magtapos mo na lahat yung requirements over there, and tapos mo yung disinfect dito, you have to wait for the person na lalapit sa inyo. RT will give you the app para makaalis ka.
Sir, may hapon. May mga tatak ka na, sir. Yan.